Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be taking a look at some bob haircut styles, options, and ideas that you can try out this season. So if you've been thinking of shaking things up with a bob haircut, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these bob styles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Ooh, loving this bob featuring the blunt bangs in the front. And she has a lot of height and volume in the crown area. This is absolutely gorgeous. And then next up we have a jaw length style bob. Followed by this copper bob style. This color is absolutely beautiful. And then we do have another jaw length style bob, almost like a mini bob or pixie bob variation. Very short and sweet. Followed by this beautiful bob with bangs. This is another one that really complements her face so well. I wonder if the stylist is known for that, because this is the second style that we've seen from her that just perfectly frames the client's face. And then we have a shoulder length bob here. This is so effortless and chic. It's a nice overall classic bob style. Then we move into a bit of an asymmetrical bob here, shorter on one side versus the other. Beautiful dimensional blonde coloring. Then we have a bob haircut transformation. So it looks like the stylist is doing a bit more of like a shoulder length bob style for this one. Beautiful curtain bangs to frame out the face. Beautiful. Then we have another one that features a transformation. Wow. She looks so good with a bob. I really like the way that the color turned out. So pretty. Then we have another gorgeous bob style here, once again by that same stylist that knows how to frame the faces perfectly. And then we have another long to short with a blunt bob and bang combo. Absolutely stunning. This stylist is so talented. And then here we have another bob with curtain bangs. This one is very short and sweet. Definitely playing on that mini bob trend. And we have another gorgeous face framing bob with bangs. Absolutely incredible. Oh, another mini bob, more like a pixie bob even. So cute. I really like her outfit too, paired with the hairstyle. Just so chic and fashion forward. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed all of the hairstyles spotted within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.